Okay, folks, looking at an AQA Paper 3 higher tier question. So this is question 11 from the AQA. I believe it was the June 2023 calculator paper. Okay, yeah, from the 2023 exam series. It says Millie is estimating the value of 1 over the cube root of 8.34 all squared times by 10.21. She rounds each decimal number to one significant figure. But the work out Millie's estimate, you must show your workings. So this is going to be 1 over 8.34. That's going to round to 8 to 1 SF. Okay, it's the first non-zero number. And then look at the number after that. It's going to be a 3, so it rounds it down to 8. So 1 over the cube root of 8 all squared, and then 10.21 rounds just to 10, so times it by 10 to one significant figure. Okay, is the first non-zero number and then followed by zeros. Well, the cube root of 8 we should know is 2, so we're going to have 1 over 2 squared, okay, times by 10. Again, using your calculator or using the laws of BIDMAS, order of operations, I do 2 squared first. So I have 1 over 4 times 10. Okay, 2 squared is 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 10 is going to be 40. So that answer for Millie's estimate is 1/40th. Okay, and each number has actually been rounded down. Okay, for that, so it's 1/40th. If I decimalize that, 0.025. Okay, so it's the first non-zero number and then followed by the rest zeros. And use the rule 5 or more you round up, 4 or less you round down. But Millie says my estimate must be more than the exact value. Without working the exact value, the reason how she can know this. Well, it's 1 over the cubic root of 8.34, I think it is, all squared times by 10.21. Okay, now if you remember from part A, you can obviously check back here if you're not sure on the previous slide, the previous part of the video. They've actually been rounded down because yes, 1 over the cube root of 8 all squared times it by 10. Okay, so because each decimal number got rounded down, okay, so this obviously went down, this also went down, okay, so her overall answer has obviously gone up, okay, because I rounded each number down, if that makes sense, okay, so rather than write it out, yeah, each number or each decimalized number has been rounded down to 1 SF, okay, whereby the actual answer is going to be bigger than 1/40th, 0.025, okay, so the actual answer is going to be greater than whatever it is, okay, so we'll call it X, so the actual value is going to be greater than 1/40th, okay, so that's why, okay, because each decimal number rounded down, the actual values were actually bigger than 8 and 10, hence my answer is bigger than 1/40th or bigger than 0.05. Thank you.